What is up, guys? It's TimeForDillon, back at it again with another crypto video. Thank you guys for tuning in. You guys are awesome. If you're new here, subscribe, bell icon, get notified when I post new videos because it's all time sensitive. In today's video, what I want to do is talk about two Cardano NFT projects that I'm super excited about. And the reason why is because they're both working on playable games on the Cardano blockchain, and they both seem to have playable alphas of these games that are coming out very soon. So the first project that I want to talk about in today's video, of course, is Zombits versus Humbits, and this project has been around almost since the beginning of Cardano NFTs. I actually made a video about it almost a year ago. Pretty crazy to think about. And a lot of people have pretty much swept this project under the rug and written it off because they haven't really developed much or done much over that past year. However, now that they've come out with announcements claiming to have a working alpha, seems like interest has started to peak once again. So I'm going to cover everything you guys need to know about that alpha, how to participate, and everything in between, so make sure you guys stay tuned. And then the next thing I want to talk about, of course, is Wolves of Rome, which is a pretty awesome NFT trading card game. Now, they did say that they were inspired by Magic the Gathering, but I'm super excited about this project in particular because of the awesome partnerships that they've managed to secure. And also, as you guys will see in a bit, they have what seems to be a working alpha for the game. But I'm going to talk about everything you guys need to know about this project in today's video, so make sure you guys stay tuned until the end so you don't miss out on any of this important information. But the first thing, as always, we have to do it. Take a look at the crypto market. As you guys can see, global crypto market sitting at about $931 billion, up about 0.7%, almost a percent on the day. Pretty crazy to think that the crypto market is still doing pretty good. Looks like we've been climbing up from the $800 billion range, inching back up towards that $1 trillion range. I'm very excited to see it. Of course, Bitcoin keeping that level of support at $20,000. But of course, moving on along, Ethereum still hovering right around $1,200, and of course Cardano right around the 44 cents. So overall, I'm still extremely bullish on crypto long term, but I always like to remember that motto that everyone says in crypto: when in doubt, zoom out. So for me, that's been my motto. I've been trying to DCA, buy the dip, and just accumulate as much Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano as possible. But of course, not financial advice. You guys do your own research, blah, blah, blah. Now, before we take a look at Zombits versus Humbits, I did want to quickly point this out, the fact that CPI data for the month of June came back, and of course, it is worse than expected. Came back as 9.1% inflation. It appears that inflation continues to go higher. Of course, Russia's still in Ukraine. What the hell are they doing over there? Almost every single global economy around the world is heading into a recession. But even with all of that, the crypto market seems to have stayed right around this range. You know, the past couple months when the CPI data has come out, we have seen the crypto markets get crushed, but it seems like that is not the case this month. Now, I will say this, considering CPI data is so much higher than we were anticipating, the Fed might be considering doing a 1% interest rate hike, so just keep that in mind. We are not out of the woods yet. But anyway, moving on along to the topic of today's video, the first, that is Zombits versus Humbits. I did want to point this out, and this is really what re-sparked my interest in this project, is this right here, the alpha release of the game. So over the past couple days, I've been seeing some buzz on Twitter about this project. I've noticed that the floor price has been skyrocketing, and that made me jump in full steam ahead, and I started sweeping these Zombits. I picked up a couple Zombits and a couple Humbits when the floor price was around 20 ADA, and the Humbits I picked up around 10 ADA, and as you guys can see, the floor price has been increasing, so it's looking good. Sorry I was not able to make a video for you guys sooner, but that's why I'm telling you guys, follow my Twitter, because I'm able to tweet much faster than I am able to make a video. So if you guys want up-to-date information, Twitter is the spot to get it. But anyway, Zombits versus Humbits. This project has been out for quite some time. Back in April of 2021, they started designing and minting the first 10,000, which were the Zombits. Of course, they created the social media presence. They launched the entire project. And then, of course, they came back a little bit later in October and they launched the Humbits. After that, it did take some time for the project to pick up some steam. Of course, they actually sold the entire project to a new team. Maybe that is the reason why there wasn't much progress with this particular project over those certain months. But we have to admit, now they have something in the pipeline. Now, of course, fast forward to where we are today. We are here and we are about to see the rollout of the alpha test. Now, coming back to the tweet, I did want to point this out. If you want to get in on the action, what you have to do is real simple. Hold a Zombit or a Humbit, and you have to hold a Cardano bit. If you happen to be holding those two NFTs, you have to come, verify, and meet the requirements of an alpha tester by coming to the Discord before July 23rd. Now, I myself, I'm going to try and partake in this. So so that I can make a video and show you guys the outcome, because I'm super excited about this project. You know, it's one of the first projects out there to mention bringing a game into the mix. Of course, we have Dead Pixels, which probably came a little bit before. They still have that OG factor, and I'm very excited. I definitely think that the price of these NFTs can go much higher. I mean, 30 ADA, 16 ADA. This right here, guys, is what I call affordable, especially right now with the price of ADA being around 43 cents. We're talking about $7.50 for an NFT. Not financial advice, though. But anyway, moving on along to the second topic of today's video, which of course is Wolves of Rome. So I'm super excited about this project. So real quick, looking at the website, as you guys can see, scrolling on down, it looks nice, flawless. They have full functionality on this. And of course, like I said in the very beginning of this video, it's not a play to earn game, it is a play and earn game. Now, scrolling on down, we can take a look at the roadmap, and we can see that in quarter 4 of 2021, this is when they started the artwork, developing the game, launched the website, setting everything up. Quarter 1 of 2022, they started the alpha testing phase, finalizing and publishing the tokenomics, updating the website, getting game developers, getting everything ready, doing the hard work. Quarter 2 2022, got the blockchain developers on deck, fundraising round, selling the war token, and of course animating the cards and in-game assets and establishing strategic partnerships. Quarter 3 2022, this is where we are. Reward for alpha testers, Genesis NFT drop, which is coming in a couple days, which I'm going to be telling you guys about, and so much more. And they have so much more on this roadmap that you guys definitely need to look at. But talking about this NFT drop, coming over here, you guys can see first season. It's going to be dropping in 13 days, guys. And what these NFTs are is basically a collection of 3D animated werewolf bust statues, and these will have utility in the game. Now, as you can see, the artwork looks pretty darn awesome, if I say so myself, and I think that's something that is very awesome about this project. But coming back to the main page, I did want to show you the team and some of the partnerships, because I told you that was a big deal. And I think right off the bat, the person that stands out to me the most is Patrick Tobler, who is an advisor to the project. And if you guys don't know, this is the creator of NFTmaker.io. But you guys can definitely scroll through and look at everyone else that is helping out in the project. Now, I will be making another video, hopefully showing you guys gameplay of both Zombits and first Humbits and this one as well. But before I let you guys go,
sharpen your blade, Legionnaire. The battle lines have been drawn. Never forget, we are collect, conquer, own.
but that's all I have for you guys today. If you guys made it this far, you guys are awesome. Make sure you guys smash that like button, drop a comment down below, and of course subscribe to the channel. I will be posting more videos about both of these projects, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. But you guys have a beautiful day, beautiful night, wherever you guys are. Dylan is